Hhayi ke uGeneral Nomisa-ke guys, uBantu, I became another person. I'm not even gonna put this video here, guys. I'm just like ngeke. Hayi bo lo baba. So kusho ukuthi it was actually an interview on radio, right? And then listeners will call in to just say their views ke makufanele ukuthi listener ke imbuzo ubrother end up ethi kwi-listener hayi awungeka phansi, go to hell. Hey, go to HELL. And then the next thing, the host of the radio station athi no ngiyakucela General, please retract what you've just said now. Athi no, actually kwasawena, go to HELL. Because is there anything like that? Videos are actually going viral. I'm just like ngeke. It's a lot. Mdala ubaba. Another heartbreaking story futhi was uDr. Inkosikazi kaDumi Mokgokstad. Bandla, you know what, that was emotional. That video is also going viral. So I just wanted to touch base on it. Ukuthi yo, she was crying, guys, about stuff abantu abaningi abastruggle ngazo. She was just saying ukuthi, you know what, it's her son's birthday today. She was just too emotional, guys. Nje ekhuluma ngokuthi, you know what, for her ukuba nengane, ngoMokgokstad wayesenengane already at the time. It was hard for her to have children. She went through a lot. And ngapha ke lo kuba njani ke mawinyumba ke. Vele kuthiwe uyinyumba noma ungeyona. And you know what's crazy about bringing children to this world? It's God's timing, not yours. So it becomes crazy. Ifamily sikhlalela and avela ngafika umntwana. Family la lithi wena awuzali. No, it uthi kwakunjalo engazi. Esebona ukuthi ngempela akazali. She went through so many procedures just to stress emzini ke, obviously. I mean, I don't think yena kubi side la kuba benaleyo inkinga. So nje she became so emotional. She was from work. She was just saying ukuthi no athi bukuthi njani. Ngisagqoka into zokusebenza ngapha umntanami ibirthday yakhe. I'm so grateful for my son. Hey guys, ngoba kuba grateful important. It's an everyday thing. Umbonge nje uNkulunkulu njalo ekuseni, guys. Ngisazoyingima kancane, guys, ngamanqampu ase-South Africa this week. I'm going to continue tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys, for always supporting this channel. Nginthanda over. Yeah, uDr. Zipho Zenkosi, guys, ayibizisa ubuhlungu into yakhe, but I think she wanted time. I think she was just overwhelmed. She was just like, you know what, ngifuna ukuyikhipha lento ngiyikhiphela ngaphandle so that ngizoba right. uZipho Zenkosi.